one of the main causes to me is what I call the GPS. That is, you know, most people know what a GPS can do. That is, you enter a destination, and the GPS tells you where to go, where to turn, and of course, if you don't follow the right path, your GPS will say recalculating. And I think often we hear the recalculating inside of us because we don't take the right path. And so you want an example of how I can use a metaphor in this specific case. I had this man who was driving a truck. He was a truck driver. And for about a year, he was out of work. I mean, he had a pain in his back, but he also had some panic attacks while driving his huge truck. So he probably saw, I'm not exaggerating, at least 10 different people on how come he had that pain and he had these panic attacks. When I saw the gentleman, I said, well, listen, you've seen so many people, I'm not sure what else I can do for you, but one question I certainly would like you to answer is, do you like your job? And he said, I hate it. I said, well, why do you do it? I mean, that was clearly a response from the GPS saying, I'm sorry, do something else. And the whole body was yelling, do something else. And of course, the gentleman started arguing and saying, well, listen, I didn't go to school, I didn't have the degrees, and I have a family to feed, and this is all the blah, blah. So what I did is I took a sheet of paper, and we see it on the camera, and I put on the sheet of paper, solution. I wrote that on the sheet of paper, solution. And I gave it to the guy, and I said, could you please hold it in front of you? I mean, like it was so that he could see the page. And I said, you know, I think the solution, you have it in your face. That is, you hate it. Your whole body, everything within you is saying, stop doing it. I don't think the title of your therapy is how to handle anxiety. I think the title of your therapy is how to have the courage to listen to this solution. I really believe, Rich, that anxiety is the solution for many, many clients